Hello guys, today I will show how to create lists in Apollo.io update. So first open Apple Update on your GitHub account by clicking on the left panel, the List tab. And here it is guys, enter companies and people, click on Lists. And here Create People List, for example. Enter your list name, My List, list target people. You can choose to create a company list also. You can add further some CSV files, the name of your people to add to your list, and click on one more time, click on Create. This will create your people list into your upload to your account that you can use later. So this will further list to be created. And here it is guys. So click on Add Records to List. Click on Create Person, person first name and last name. For example, company name. You can add the phone number here and other details, and the link there you will look out. Right, this is it guys, you can click on Add. Contact and click Yes. And this is it guys, you will be successful to create it. Well List has added contacts to it. You can also create a group or create a field to your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.